I was born and raised in America. Something we say is you can't judge a book by its cover. And somehow we still go through, a lot of people do judge books by cover. And so when you see somebody in Japan who looks foreign, you might assume that they're foreign, even though they actually might have been born and raised in Japan. So my channel, I like to kind of go into this topic of let's get to really know somebody who with a unique story who lives in Japan, who might not actually look Japanese at all. And this kind of has spawned, I'm on the social inequality panel because this group of people that I interview kind of fall into the minority in Japan. So just wanted to also add that, you know what, I wanted to say, because this is a digital leadership program, I did want to say I'm up here as kind of a leader in social media in some ways, but there's a very cool guy out there. I don't know, anyone know Aristotle? Aristotle, everyone heard of him? He had something good that he said, which was, he who cannot be a good follower cannot be a good leader. So something I wanted to kind of touch on today is, of course, we all want to be leaders and we're taught to be a good leader, but sometimes it's good to shut up, listen. As I do when I interview people, I allow them to talk and tell their story. And I'm not leading, I'm letting them lead and I'm following. And I want to just say that sometimes it is good to also be a good follower in order to be a good leader. So we'll touch on that maybe more later, but that's my intro. Thanks for listening.